It's your new friend in the plumbing business, Joe Casita, and I'm excited to show you our latest creation. All right, this is what we do best. This is what we created from nothing. This was absolutely not here. From drywall to framing, you name it, we took care of this one and made it into what it is today. Such a beautiful, brand new bathroom with all the bells and whistles. And over here we got your beautiful kitchen with all the bells and whistles. And of course, the best water quality in town. And over here, we transformed this space into a studio. Put mini splits in both locations. This is a Murphy bed. It's got the whole 9 yards. Work area. This also turns into a bed. It's ready to rent. Not only that, but we also have this space up here. And this is also a livable space. That's a futon bed, and it definitely converts into a bed. And we're glad to be able to show this to you. We're really proud of this one. No worries.